I came by myself, the puppy wolfed. When you fell, I used my magic to stop you from being hurt. I am sorry if I startled you. Robin gasped and pulled her hand back, as it had been burned. You could talk?" she cried. The puppy blinked up at her with wide midnight blue eyes. Despite the tiny size, it didn't seem to be afraid of her. "Yes, I am Storm, of the Moonclaw Pack. What is your name? And what is this strange moving place?" Robin Parsons, and we're on a sea ship called Sea Princess. I'm here on a Christmas cruise with my parents," Robin explained, her mind still whirling. She found it difficult to take all this in, but she didn't want to scare the amazing puppy away. I don't know what you did, but thanks for helping me. I could have hurt myself badly." "You are welcome," Storm yapped. Robin slowly backed up to the edge of her bunk and sat down. "Sorry, I'm feeling a bit sick. I've been like this since we came on board." Storm's little pointed face clouded with concern. I will make you better." Robin instantly felt another warm tingling sensation down her back, as Storm reached out one fluffy little white paw and sent a fountain of tiny sparks toward her. They whirled around her, humming like tiny worker bees. They whirled around her like humming tiny worker bees. Before disappearing, she felt the sickness washing down her and draining out of her toes, just as she'd been standing under the warm shower. "Wow, that's amazing!" she cried, delightedly jumping up. "I don't feel sick anymore. I'm not dizzy or anything. Thanks again, Storm." "That is good," Storm grinned, showing his sharp little teeth. And then his face took a serious expression. "I need to hide now, Robin. Can you help me?"